Hi, my beautiful people. Here is your monthly reminder to not forget to clean under your fridge and your range. To make this super simple and easy, I use this $9 multi-purpose cleaning tool that lays flat and extends to go all the way to the back so you don't miss any crumbs. You can also use this up high on your cabinets, ceilings, you name it. Simply take off that dust cover and throw it right in the wash when you're done. I'm also using my favorite self-emptying cordless vacuum that gets all that dust and big crumbs. Comment flat duster and I'll send all the links to your DMs. Love ya!